Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a major motor vehicle scam is now the subject of police investigation as victims have fallen prey to what appears to be false advertising online.
The victims have paid over thousands of dollars for the vehicles to Integrated Marketing Communications, which is supposed to be a used car dealership.
But the people are yet to get the vehicles or get back their money. Kirk Wright has the tale of two of the victims.
We call him Mark because he did not want to be identified. Now, Mark said he went to this office in Swallowfield, St. Andrew and made a down payment of $150,000 for a Voxy he was told would arrive on the island in 60 days. He said he was simply trying to cash in on what appeared to be a good deal being advertised on TikTok. Mark said he paid them last week Monday, but became suspicious shortly after and went back to the office to check.
I went to the office on Friday and I realized the place is closed. And the reason that led me to go to the office that Friday, it was the sales rep who I talked to told me that he went there and he saw that the office is closed and he can't enter the building. He was calling the sales manager and the sales manager wasn't answering none at all. And that's where I got my information to knowing that these people are a scammer.
Omar Shand also fell victim to the scam. He too saw the advertisement on TikTok and also saw a few girls outside the company giving away flyers promoting the deal.
I did some business with them, so them have an interview with them, so them have some car and thing with them sell. So them show me on them internet thing, them computer thing and thing. So I come and pick a Voxy and them say alright, them for pay down on it. I pay down 160. So the 160, I give them 140 by them at a Wednesday. I give them the 140. I go back for it. I go back for 20 grand by the time Thursday morning. By the time I come back Thursday morning, them lock from that. Can't get to talk to them. I try to call them, we can't get to them. Nothing at all. So
another man who turned up to do business with them said he started the process but was yet to offer his down payment.
We kind of doubt it when we see the flyers because we said it's too good to be true. Based upon information we them put on the flyers. So the last thing them tell me is that we don't really make a down payment yet. But the last thing them tell me is that them have a backlog, and as soon as them clear the backlog, they will come make the payment. So pass now for check to find out if them office really open.
Meanwhile, Mark said a representative from the company told him he could retrieve his money if he visited the Victor Mutual Building Society downtown Kingston.
You have to go to the bank, my dear. You have to go to VMBS downtown with your receipt, your ID, and the bank account information and fill out a claims form. Okay? Because the account has been blocked.
That I'm there to reclaim back my money from this institution where the person tell me that I can go there with the account number, the business name, and when I bring forth that information to the person at the VMBS bank, they tell me that there's no account there's no such thing like that. So right there then, I know that I have lost.
We reached out to the Building Society, which sent a statement denying any involvement. The Building Society said, quote, "We would like to state unequivocally that the VM Building Society has no involvement in the operations of the named business and has advised potential victims of fraudulent activities to make a formal report to the JCF Fraud Squad and where transactions have been made through an account held at VMBS, provide a report at any VMBS branch along with proof of payment." Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
In the meantime, Senior Superintendent in charge of the St. Andrews Central Police Division, Marlon Nesbitt, says they have received complaints from alleged customers.
On Friday of last week, 2 persons turned up at the Arbitrary Police CID section where they made reports of persons obtaining monies by false pretense at that company, namely Integrated Marketing Communication, with office somewhere in the Swallowfield area. So, the police started their investigation, but from all indication, the directors of the company whom we would have need to interview at this time are not making themselves available, to the extent that since then to now, we have gone to the premises, but there's no useful information as to their location. So we'll continue this investigation, and we are urging anybody else who have any issue